Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a video for you to show how to replace the temperature regulator in Renault Wind, and maybe also applicable for other Renault models. What I noticed is that a few dead pixels started appearing. It was just there. It showed up from one moment to another. I can't exactly remember when. Must have been a few months ago. I replaced it and couldn't find a video about it, so this is why I record this video. You can see that pixels move a little bit among time. Yeah, I bought one replacement display from eBay, so I will put some part numbers in yeah, in the description, so I will take you through the process of removing it. And one more tip, yeah, I ordered the display and the trim wasn't really that nice, so I knew my old one was good enough and I figured out how to replace only the internals. So watch my other video if you want to replace only the internals, and then you can keep your original look if the old or if the display you ordered is in not so good shape. It has four of them. So if you just put pressure on here, it will go up. It's good enough. And then you can see here the fan. Yes, that's starting to crumble. Let's see. This happens. Shouldn't be too bad. Just leave the rest. Take away any loose parts. There's some large elastic thing. I don't know if it's useful. Maybe I take it away. Okay, so because I dropped the tool, I had to remove the radio. It isn't a big deal, but it looks like a mess. I started removing the silver part with these screws. It wasn't easy, but you don't have to do it. There are two screws here, two screws there, and then I figured out, oh, there are also two on either side, so one here, one there. It's not necessary. You can just remove this, loosen up all the cables first on the back. Two are with latches, and one is just press something in and pull it back. And then you can remove it like this. So don't take away the silver part. It's really hard and probably you won't be successful because the two screws here are really hard to get to. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so putting it back, let's see. It's just be careful not to damage the thing. I'm thinking about how I got it out. With one hand, it's not that easy. Okay, it already goes in. Already goes in. It's easy like that. And then we need to put it back. You can see now how it is aligned up there, and I think above there will be some kind of click thing. So I think it makes a click sound now. Okay, that's the click and click. Okay. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to get it loose. Mine got loose. There's a little bit of dirt. Mine got loose while I was trying to get the screws of the silver embossment off. But you saw how I put it in and watch the construction. I think you can hit the two tabs on either side, and then it will fall to the back. So try that. Now I realign the cables. It's hard to film, but it's easy. Okay, so the cables are really easy to put back. Two are with the latch, one is just pull at the end and also push something down and it will come off quite easily. Now, once you know how it works, yeah, getting it outside, it's the wrong way. It's really easy to put it back the right way because you see how it works. I didn't see that correctly. Thought I had to take all of the screws. You see that? Okay. Just push a little bit on the back to make sure everything fits. it wasn't fitted properly, and let's see if it works. Okay, the temperature is there. I didn't set it at that temperature, so it probably remembers the old temperature, but I need to check the functions. Okay, auto works. I hear some rattling, but it's, oh yeah, make sure you don't drop anything in the fan bit, but yeah. Okay, so that works. AC, the heating of, yeah, the front, the back, circulation, up, down, left, right. Okay, everything seemed to work. Let's put it off and put some things back. Okay, so putting it back should be easy. Just connect the warning light, let it slide in, hook it in the back. I hope you can see it. Okay, then push down. Okay, it's easy as that. And to take it loose, just pull here and here hard. Yeah, that's it. Now we have the screen without the white dots in it. You can see the white dots even when it's off. So already when it's off, I didn't see it, and we tested it already. Yeah, so this good result. Small damage, but not really bad. This is just some dirt. The other one really had some damage, because I think at the demolition companies, yeah, they sometimes don't handle the parts really gently. But now it's fixed, and I can live with it. So.